Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to play Green Onions by Booker T and the MGs on a diddley bow. Very, very straightforward, not hard at all. I'm tuned to F, which is the same as the record. This was a fairly skinny string, so I had to tune an octave above where the guitar part is actually on the record, but I found this great setting on my cube under the effects. If I go all the way to the right, it adds a low note. So I'm not sure how that'll come through on my little laptop here, but sort of fattens it up and makes it sound, a little similar. I'll play the song for you, and then I'll show you how to do it. So you may notice right away that it's a 12-bar blues. On the record, it does start with the lick 4 times, and then the band comes in, and that's where this 12-bar starts counting. But the rest of the song just follows a straight 12-bar pattern, which, as you probably know, is 4 on the 1 chord, 2 on the 4 chord, 2 on the 1 chord, 1 on the 5 chord, which is on the 7th fret, 1 on the 4 chord, which is on the 5th fret, and then back to the 1, which is on the 0 fret. All very confusing, I'm sure. So after you've played that 4 times, I should show you exactly what that is. The rhythm is the same for every lick, all the way through. And it's, I'll do it real slow. So it's like 1, 2, and 3, 5. The reason I say 5 instead of 4 is because we're going to the 5th fret. But the count is actually 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, except we're going to the 5th fret. And I'm doing it all downstrokes just because it seems to sound more like it when I do it that way. I'm sure it could go back and forth, but... So you do that 4 times, then you go up to the 5th fret and play the 4 chord. So the other 2 frets would be 8 and 10. Back to the 1 twice. Then to the 5 chord, which is on 7. That was 10 and 12. To the 4 chord, 8 and 10. Back to the 1 chord, which is on 0. And repeat. So have fun with that. Bye.